Hello friends, today we are here to introduce an advanced and practical tool for cryptocurrency traders, presented by the TradingFinder team. The Crypto Market Watch extension is a practical and suitable tool that allows traders to check the real-time prices of their desired cryptocurrencies and the percentage changes in price over 3 time frames: hourly, daily, and weekly in the crypto market. It also provides traders with the ability to analyze trends by displaying the Fear and Prejudice Index and the dominance of Bitcoin and Ethereum. This extension supports more than 16,000 cryptocurrencies and provides traders with easy access to the features of this extension through Windows and Mac browsers, and is available for Android and iOS devices. To access this extension, click on this option to be taken to the relevant page, and then click on the Add to Chrome option and select it to download the extension. After downloading the extension from the extension section, we activate the PIN option for more secure and easier access to the extension. And we add it to the top of our Chrome page. By selecting this option, the page exposed to the extension will be launched. In the upper section, you can see the extension name along with the TradingFinder logo. In the lower section, there are 4 tabs for us, including Dashboard, Prices, Settings, and Language Selection. You can see the comments in this section. When running the extension, it is on the Prices tab by default, where you can see the views of your comments. In the upper section, you can see the names of your desired cryptocurrencies, along with their symbols. In the section below, you can see the price of an elephant of that width. You can check the percentage of price changes in the last hour, in the last 24 hours, and in the last 7 days in this section, along with the total trading volume and market cap. In the dashboard, there are sections for us in this section where you can see the cryptocurrency market cap, along with the percentage of market cap changes. In the next section, you can see the dominance of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other widths. In the next section, you can examine the Fear and Apprehension Index, which reflects the sentiment of the market and traders. In the next section, you can see the 5 trending and popular widths in the market, along with the 5 new widths that have entered the market. In the lower section, you can see the 6 currencies that have had the most growth in the last 24 hours and the 6 currencies that have had the most decline in the last 24 hours as a list. In the settings section, by going to the Select Coin option, you can disable or enable the coins you don't like. You can also search for your desired coin in the search section and add it to your list. By selecting the Save option, you can save your changes, and the cryptocurrencies you selected will be visible in the Prices section. In the next section, by selecting the Theme option, which is the extension's custom theme, you can choose between 2 modes, light and dark. You can click this option to select the dark theme, or click it again to choose the light theme. In the next section, by selecting the Rate Us option, you can give us a rating and access various trading tools. In the next section, by selecting this tab, you can choose your preferred language. By selecting the Trading Tools option, you can access the page related to various trading tools and select the tools you want to use. To access this extension from other sections, we can search for the extension name in the Chrome Web Store under the Extensions section, and it will display the extension for us. By clicking on this option, we will be redirected to the relevant page, or we can search. in the browser section. We can see the extension in this section of the Chrome Web Store, and by clicking on this page, we can be redirected to the relevant page and go through the steps again. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this extension tutorial. We would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.